Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 4x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 4 sine 4x dx. Because we don't have negative number 4, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 4. This one we change by u. Sine 4x dx we change by du over negative number 4. So this one we can change by u to the power of 1 over 3. Later that, we can apply the formula in here. So we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply this formula in here. So this one we have 4 over 3. This one we have 4 over 3. About u, that is about cosine 4x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.